guys, and welcome back to our channel Ma and Me. I'm Sonia and my mother is Linda. So today we have a little bit of a very interesting vlog. It's something which I did a few days back. So what I did was I went to the new market, and I don't really go to the new market even once in 2 or 3 months, because now with apps like Swiggy, Instamart, with your Spencer's, your big basket, you don't really need to go out. So at the luxury of your own house, you just sit, open your app, order it. Either you pay online or you pay cash on delivery. So that's what we do. But there are certain items which we have to go to the new market for. So the other day I went to the new market just to pick up these 2 or 3 items, and I shot a little video of what all I got, because honestly, like, new market is the only place I think which, and that is not all the shops, just around 2 or 3 shops which have it. And as far as I can remember, from the time I was little, I've been having these things, and it's always come from the new market. So once in 4 to 5 months, I do make a trip. I go all the way to the new market, and the worst part about going to new market is the parking. I have to park one end, and I have to walk in the heat of the sun, and I don't like going in the afternoon. I always go in the morning when it just about opens between 10:30 11, because it's so crowded and this heat is crazy. So I go in the morning where parking is a little better, but still I have to park far away, because you cannot park anywhere just around the new market. The cops are really sticky in that area. It is tough to die for. So that is the reason why I take that special effort to go there. Even my brothers who don't stay in Calcutta now, they just love it. So once in a while we make a parcel and send it to them, or when they come here, they take back a big amount and keep it. And these things are things which can be stored, which will not go bad overnight. They can be stored for quite a couple of months and nothing happens. So I went over there the other day to the new market, and I shot a little video of some of the things which I went there to pick up. So first we'll go back to that day and I'll show you all the video of that, and then I will show you all the products now. So what we'll do is we'll first go back to the day I went to the new market. So come along with me, and I'm going to take you all into the new market today. So today we are going out a little bit after ages. Mother, where are we planning to go today?
New market.
New market.
I will be the best.
So I just parked the car very far away, and now I've entered from the flower section. Okay, so all the florists are here. So I'm just walking through this. You have the dry fruits and the sweets also on the right hand side. So this guy is amazing. I've been coming to him for a long time now. So you want any kind of chips packet, hot grams, sweets, candies, mouth fresheners, supari, biscuits, chocolates. Like, he's got it all. These are all the mouth fresheners over there, all your chana churs, your candies, sweets. And he has all the varieties of Amzad. He has the orange, he has the green, the raw mango, and he has the black, which is the kala khatta. It's got your muri packets, your save packets, your bhujia packets, and the quality of his stuff is really good. He's in the front of the market. I think this is known as the cake section. So this is the assorted packet which he's just made for me. It's got the orange, the green, and the black amsat. So the name of his shop is Ganapati, and that's his shop number. This is like in the front of the market. I think it's known as the cake section. So he is really good. Quality of his stuff is very nice, and he's very accommodating. He will customize everything and give it to you as per what you are looking for. So do come to this guy. So the next stop is where I go and get our bandel cheese from. Yes, he has fresh bandel cheese, fresh paneer, anything you can think of, anything for making cakes. The name of his shop is J. Johnson. This is also on the front of the market, the cake section. I have been coming to this shop from the time I'm a little child. Great shop to buy your stuff from. So we are done with the new market and now I'm just filling petrol. So we were a little hungry, so I ordered 2 burgers from Burger King and some french fries. So we're just sitting in the car and just having it. When we first ordered it, we thought it was going to be a snack, but it turned out to be our lunch because when we reached home, we just could not eat anything more after this. Our stomachs were full, but it's delicious.
Good.
Oh wow, your favorite place. So after all that eating, we've arrived at the Russell Dhaba. So now we just want to share a lassi. And since we are here, I'm sure we'll order at least one samosa because out of all the samosas you get in Calcutta, we are just in love with the Russell Dhaba samosa.
एक लस्सी
एक लस्सी
ठंडा लेकिन मलाई मत देना और
एक लस्सी और क्या
समोसा गर्म है?
समोसा ओपन गर्म होगा
एक दे देना.
एक लस्सी एक समोसा बस
so sweet dishy
और रमी बाया चाप देना. तुम्हें बाया चाप देना ना. Right. Yeah. At this time it's generally empty. Let's park. Are you excited to have your lassi?
you can't imagine after 4 years
Just have a little bit. No harm. Oh, the burger was excellent.
you have to know where to order the burgers from.
Now I know.
Now you know. That's why some days, Cookie, I used to tell you, Cookie, what a bad burger, it's so dry.
The new market ones are not good.
The cheap places, na, where they sell the chalu one.
So he's bought the bar of lassi, but we've taken out our 2 disposable glasses and making him pour it in that for mom and me. Thank you. Just see this lassi. Remove your mask now, Bandhu. No. It's a very warm day today. I think summer is almost in, Mummy.
Yes.
We've got the AC on from the time we left the house till now.
You finished your food?
No.
Have it.
Still having. Take up your mask. The road you are driving, nobody passed.
Yes.
No.
She was going towards the pavement when she was crossing.
model very well. So now, since you all saw that, now I'm going to show you all the physical product which is here right now. So basically, the first thing is this. Now this is known by quite a few names. It is called Aam Papra. It is called jellied mango. It's called dry mango. It's called Aam Saath, mango jelly slices. Before you used to get them, like big packages, and like you have to peel each layer and then eat. But now they've made it so easy. They make them in little toffee or little sweet forms. You just open each wrapper. They come in like I think 1 kg packet. But before you only used to get this one, this typical orange color, this plain mango jellied sweets. Now what I saw was there are 2 different variants apart from this. So I got it here. So one was this green one. So this is like the raw mango version of it. One is this black one. I think it's like a kala khatta kind of a thing. That's what the guy explained to me. And you have the regular one. So why not do a taste test for you all? Since this is going to be my first time having the other 2. The orange one I've literally grown up on, and we always used to go to the new market to pick it up, but we used to get the big ones. Now they've made it so easy. You just get these small ones, and these also came in small little wrappers. So either you can take like 1 full kg packet of just the green, or just the black, or just the orange, or if you want an assorted version, you just tell him and they'll immediately just open the packet and give you an assorted version of it. I took the plain and the assorted. This is the first one, the regular one. This is regular, what I've grown up eating, and I'm sure most of you all also know. That's the first one. Now let's try the green one, the raw mango. Okay. So you know what, the good part about this, I forgot. It's like in little slices. You can just peel one slice like that. Lovely. It's not too khatta, but it's nice. It's got, it's the raw mango, alright, but slightly khatta, slightly meetha, very nice. Okay, now this is the black one. Wait, let me try and get one slice. Alright, managed to get a slice of the black one. Fab. It's the typical kala khatta na jo hota hai. This is just that. Nice. Can I try one more slice? This is really nice. Love it. Now, since I've grown up on the regular orange one, now after having all these 3, I think my favorite is going to be by far. Maybe because it actually depends on your preference. Maybe because I like this kala khatta flavor and this chaat masala kind of a flavor. I'm loving it. It's really good. It's more on the saltier side compared to the others. So this is one of the things which I always go to the new market for. Now we come to a very interesting item. Okay, so now this is called bandel cheese. Okay, first I'll show you what it looks like. So they sell them in like packets like this. You can take 2 pieces, 5 pieces, 10 pieces, 1 dozen, 2 dozen, 50 pieces, 100 pieces. They sell it in any quantity you like. Okay, so it looks like this. Now this is like dehydrated cheese. It's called bandel cheese. It's a dehydrated cheese. So this version is you have to soak it. So basically you can buy it, put this in your freezer. Whenever you want to eat it, just take it out, soak it in water, change it 2 or 3 times, and then you can eat it. So basically, when you soak it in water, it swells up a little bit, but the main reason for soaking it is it removes all the salt which is there. So basically, this is just poisoned with salt. So that is the reason why it lasts even for a longer period. So you need to soak it and let all that excess salt come out. Now this is lovely. So basically, this is actually like, in normal terms, this is like smoked chena. So you get 2 versions. One you get the plain and one you get the smoked. So for some reason, from time we are little, we've been used to the smoked one, and this is very popular in Anglo-Indian households. Yeah, it's very popular in Anglo-Indian households, and I'll tell you the way we have it. So what I do is, when we want to have it, like a day before, I take some hot water and soak 5 or 6 pieces. Just soak it, leave it. Maybe after 7-8 hours, I come, remove the water, wash it out a little bit, and again fill fresh water and just leave it. Then take butter, take around 3-4 bandel cheese depending on how much you want to eat. Mix it, make a nice paste. Put it in your bread, just apply it, one nice thick layer on your bread. Dip it in your tea and have. That makes the perfect dinner. Believe me, when this is bought for like 3-4-5 days continuously, I have this for my dinner. I'll have 2-3 slices of bread, maybe 4, which shows most of the time. So I have that, dip it in my tea, and it is so delicious. And once you acquire the taste and you just start maybe having it 2 or 3 times, you would not stop having it. It's that delicious. And there's so many other ways of having it. It depends on how you want to have it. You want to have it with gooseberry jam. There's so many other ways. I don't know. I've never thought of any other way apart from mixing it with butter and having. At times I just cut it in small slices and I just have it like that. Or I don't even cut it, I just take one piece and I have it. You only get this in Calcutta. You only get this in the New Market, and that too in 1 or 2 shops in the New Market. Like, you know, more of towards the front, the cake section, the cobble path, just over there in a few stores you get it. And from small, we've been going there and getting it. So yeah, so this is made in, you know, the small towns around Kolkata, like, you know, Tarkeshwar and places like that. In 2 or 3 small places it is made. Now this originated by the Portuguese. So their colony Bandel, they started making it there, and that's how this originated. And now it's still mainly had in most Anglo-Indian houses in Calcutta. So this is this all famous Bandel cheese, where people come to Calcutta and they want to take away the dehydrated version. So yeah, and by now you'll all know I'm a foodie. My mom loves it. She can live on Bandel cheese. If there's Bandel cheese in the house, for the first few days, both of us just have Bandel cheese, bread, butter, tea. That's it. That's our dinner. In my video, I've showed you all the shops where we buy it from, and we've been buying it right from the time I'm little. I've been going to those shops. I've literally seen them all age, and the next generation has taken over the shops. So we buy it from there, and it's there in the video. So that's it for this video. We will be back very shortly with another video. But if you all like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You can leave a comment if you want to leave a comment. Share this and do subscribe to our channel. Please do subscribe to our channel. Until then, see you all very soon with another video. Bye guys.